Hello and welcome, and thank you for purchasing this course. I am Matthew Storer, the professional photographer and your guide throughout the entire duration over the next 6 hours of this course. Just a quick rundown of what we're going to cover inside of this course. We're going to look at camera equipment. What do you actually need to capture beautiful nature photography? Understanding basic settings inside of our camera. What is ISO, aperture and shutter speed, and how does it affect our nature photography? We're then going to ramp up difficulty just a little bit with some advanced basic settings, looking at histogram, exposing to the right. Why is this one of the most important aspects in photography? What is raw? What is white balance? We're going to cover all of this. We're then going to ramp up a little bit more out in the field, looking at filters. What filters should you own and how do you use them? Theory and practical. What is a neutral density filter going to do to your landscape photography? We're then going to look at composition. Why is composition so important to the storytelling aspect of your photography? Then I'm going to take you to a little bit more advanced level in composition. How you can take your simple composition to a completely new level to create new dynamics for your landscape photography. Then moving on to the most important aspect in nature photography and storytelling, the exposure. We've learned all the basic settings and we've gotten to this point right here. We've slowly advanced and now we're getting to the most advanced lesson, exposure. How can we get the best possible light in conjunction with the histogram, the depth of field, the aperture, everything we've learned in the previous lessons in this course. It's going to be an absolutely great course, but it doesn't stop there. In the last module, I'm going to send you all the raw images for 100% free, and we're going to tackle each individual image on how to edit them, how to do it in post-production, what each element of the slider is doing in conjunction with the image. That is why if you get stuck on any module or any particular lesson, whether it's in post-production, out in the field, or in camera settings, never hesitate to contact me. My end goal of this course is to take you from a beginner photographer to new advanced levels that you've always dreamt of. Let's move on to the next lesson on what is landscape photography.